much fun. Today, I had my first customer was a little girl who had an UGG boot that needed a button. That's all, just a button. Fortunately, I brought some buttons, and she chose one that she liked. And one of my coworkers had a heavy thread, so I sewed on the button, and she is thrilled, and so am I. So this place is just absolutely fun. You have to come down here because all Peekskill is here, and everybody coming in here is bringing something that they want to have repaired and still have in their life and not just throw away. Why throw it away when it can be fixed? So I'm thrilled about this first event of the Repair Cafe, and I'm looking forward to the next one. Thank you.
Hey everyone, so we're here at our first City of Peekskill Repair Cafe. We have a ton of repair coaches here to fix any treasured old goods that you might have kept for a while because you didn't want to throw them out and you thought you might be able to fix them. Well, then you should come and bring them here. We have our bicycle repair station. We have had one bike repaired so far. Yeah, absolutely. Do you guys want to talk a little bit about your tools or what you
Yeah, my name's Connor, and I came to this because of Vanessa. I know how to fix bikes. I've volunteered in previous co-ops where we would teach people how to fix bikes, and this is Michael and this is Evan. We've fixed one bike so far, and we're ready to fix more. Yeah, if we have one more bike, bring it on. We're ready to let the world move. Yeah. I have experience teaching people how to fix bikes. Evan built his own bike, and Michael here, he does a lot of home repair, and yes. So we have a collection of tools. All three of us brought different tools, and so we can do some basic repairs. I don't think we have the material to do like heavy-duty, major advanced repairs, but if you need any tune-ups, we can help.
So we have a take-apart station. So in the future, when we have our repair cafes, if you have kids that want to learn how to take apart an old stereo, maybe an old computer, these are all, we have repair coaches here who are trained and know how to take them apart, put them back together. It's a cool skill that your kid can learn. We also have a computer station here, and our lovely field library program manager, is that your official title? Alicia, do you want to talk about your...
Hi, I'm Alicia Morgan. I'm so pleased that we were able to work with Vanessa and the City of Peekskill to bring the Repair Cafe to the library. It's something we feel really strongly about, recycling and reusing, and instead of throwing things away. Super excited to have it here. And I got my computer looked at, which is a 2007 Windows laptop. It's on its last legs, but he took a look, so cleaned out some things, and hopefully it's a little faster. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. So we also have our electronics here. So we have a few folks from Peekskill Cortland Amateur Radio Association. They're mixed in here. We have folks fixing some old lamps. We have Councilwoman Riley here, who brought in her lamps from Ireland.
Yes, beautiful bleak lamps.
So like I said, if you guys have any old appliances, anything that you inherited that maybe just isn't working correctly, but you wanted to keep it because you have an emotional attachment, that is what we do here at Repair Cafe. We want to repair your old treasure goods that you want to use again, and you want to bring new life to again. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to teach people how to repair things themselves, give them a hand, build community, and really this is to combat the throwaway culture that is so prevalent in our country. It's just so easy to break something one day, throw it away, and buy something new. But that, it increases the waste, and given that we are currently in a climate crisis, this is absolutely part of a strategy to continue moving in a more sustainable, greener direction. So we're really happy to be here. We also have, so this is our Peekskill Cortland Amateur Radio Association. We got some of our ham guys here. Did you want to introduce yourselves?
Hello, Malcolm Pritchard, PCARA.
Yes, great.
I'm Greg, KB2CQE.
Do you want to say a few words as the president?
No, well, we're just really happy that you invited us here. Very happy you invited us here for the first Peekskill Cafe. We're trying to help people however we can, through our hobby and our.
Maybe say a little bit about Peekskill Cortland Amateur. I don't think a lot of people know about it, so I think let's get you more background.
Well, the Peekskill Cortland Amateur Radio Association is a group of local amateur radio operators here in the Cortland Peekskill area. We've been around actually since like 1991. But we actually became incorporated, or actually a formal corporation in 2000. So we've been around for about 19 years. Everybody's welcome to join us at our monthly meetings or our monthly breakfasts. And everybody's welcome to come along and take amateur radio exams if they wish. So if anybody wants more information, they can check on our website, www.pcara.org, and come and visit us anytime.
Very good.
Appreciate it. We also have a free section here, so if anyone wants any yarn, that's currently what's on the table. But in the future, if anyone wants to bring anything that they don't necessarily want to throw away, that they think that people might be able to make good use of, feel free to bring it to our repair cafe. We'll put it on the table, and maybe someone can bring it home and use it, give new life to it as well. So it's great. We also have our furniture table. I know that we were working on a few seats earlier. Our reading table, as well as other items. So we don't have anyone at our jewelry table today, but we're hoping to have some people next time. And then we have Brian from Brian's Automotives, who is giving some car information. Do you want to maybe talk a little bit about what you're offering?
What I figured I'd do here, because you can't get a car in the building, would hopefully gives people some information as to what cars do and how they operate. I bought my scanner. If somebody had a check engine light, they could come down and I could plug the car in and maybe give them an idea on what's going on and educate them a little on the process. And if you come down here, I will be more than happy to give you a card, and I'll give you a free estimate on what's wrong with the car at my shop during the regular work week. My shop is on Washington Street. It's 897 is the building number. It's easy to find. Just look for all the cars out front with all the hot rods and custom cars too.
So we really hope that you'll be able to make it to our next repair cafe. We're thinking of having these on a quarterly basis. And again, this is just one of the ways that we're going to move towards a more environmentally friendly community, a more environmentally friendly world. These repair cafes have taken off all over Westchester, all over the Hudson Valley, all over the country, all over the world. We're really happy to be a part of it. I really want to thank the Field Library, the Peekskill Conservation Advisory Council, the Peekskill Cortland Amateur Radio Association, as well as the Peekskill chapter of the Toastmasters and the city of Peekskill for helping me put this on, gathering all these great volunteers, making sure it all came together so perfectly. And we're really thankful. We're really looking forward to working with everyone in the future. And I really hope everyone can come out and make it. Thank you so much.
I have done a bunch of these repair cafes, and it's just a lot of fun. The people come here, and you never know who you're going to find coming in for having something repaired, and people go away happy. They just enjoy having whatever device they had. It was maybe sentimental. It could have been a lamp. It could have been electronics. And they just love to have something working again and not have to throw it out. So we take pride in being able to fix all kinds of stuff. So I've done over 40 of these repair cafes up and down the Hudson Valley, and in the last 4 years. So I did five of these in January alone. So it was really, really cool, and a lot of happy customers.